Listen carefully. The instant you assumed the reality of your desire, creation was finished. Nothing more is to be made. Tonight I want you to grasp this single truth. Your desire is already fulfilled, and life itself is arranging the exact path to reveal it. What I'm about to share is not a method of forcing events, nor a plea for the world to change. It is the revelation that an unseen bridge already connects the state you occupy now to the reality you have claimed. I tell you this, or you will stop doubting the seeming accidents, stop fearing delays, and start trusting the subtle movements shaping your world. Every detour, every pause, every unexpected conversation is not random. It is the living bridge, assembling itself before your very eyes. Recall the day you missed the train, only to step onto the next one and meet the very soul whose presence would alter your destiny. Remember the morning you misplaced your keys, arrived late to your appointment, and in that delay, found yourself standing in the exact moment where opportunity awaited you. Think of the casual phone call from a long-forgotten friend that carried the single thread of knowledge which unlocked the door to your next step. You look around and declare, nothing is happening. But I tell you, the unseen architecture of your world is shifting and bending to accommodate the end you dared to assume. I demand your full attention. The bridge of incidents does not explode upon the stage with lightning and thunder. It is wrought in silence, assembled in ways you cannot trace or comprehend. It appears in the pose of ordinary hours, moving by paths your senses cannot follow. Do not measure progress by what your senses scream. Do not beg the outer world to testify for your belief. Fix yourself immovably in the fulfilled end. Feel it as the only reality, and watch as the outer world, powerless to resist, conforms and rearranges to your assumption. What the world names coincidence is the purposeful movement of the promise made manifest. A door that closes is no rejection. It is the invisible bridge redirecting you from a smaller fate. A delay is never denial. It is the measured cadence of fulfillment, moving in perfect order to deliver the promise already yours. I tell you, the bridge cannot fail, just as no farmer digs up the seed to check its growth, but trusts the silent work beneath the soil. So must you trust the unseen movements that prepare your harvest. Hold your ground unflinching when the world's faint whisper insists nothing has moved. Anchor your gaze upon the fulfilled end you have secured, unswerving and certain. Step forth as though the bridge already carries you. For the moment you assumed it, creation must conform. Tonight we have named the bridge, unveiled its hidden spans, and watched the ordinary hours of life flare into the golden links of your fulfilled desire. Ask not when, nor question how. The bridge is already laid beneath your path, firm and certain, for this law makes no error. Your charge is not to beg nor to labor, but to stand in the accomplished end, to live from its absolute certainty, and to let life, with perfect fidelity, unfold the steps that were prepared long before this night. When tomorrow's scenes appear trivial or misplaced, let a sacred authority rise in your chest, and know you are already walking the bridge of incidents. Every glance, every seeming accident is carrying you closer, not to a fragile hope, but to the harvest that has always been yours.